Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's me Richie and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use text to speech on TikTok Android. So basically what text to speech is in text to speech, if you add some text on your TikTok video, the TikTok's voice is going to pronounce the word whichever you write on your TikTok video, alright? So you guys might get confused, but after watching this video until the end, you will understand what this really means. But if you guys also want to unlock this feature on your phone, basically you need to update your TikTok because it is only available on the latest version of TikTok. So make sure to update your TikTok to the latest version, and after updating your TikTok, follow the steps. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our channel, and let's get right into the video, shall we? So you want to click on this plus button which you use to upload video on your TikTok. And after you click on this plus button, you can either record the video using your TikTok's camera or choose it from your gallery. So I'm going to choose it from my gallery over here. So this is the video which I'm going to be choosing. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on next again. Now after I'm over here, basically what you want to do is you want to click on where it says text. You want to click on text and add whichever text you want. So let's say I want to add, and after you add the text to which you want to convert it into voice, basically what you want to do is tap on the text. After you tap on the text, it's going to show you these three options. And from these three options, oh, it disappeared, sorry for that. From these three options, you want to click on text to speech. Wait for some time, it's converting my text into speech. Now let me turn on my volume so you guys can hear it.
Hey, what's up?
As you guys can see, that's basically what it sounds like. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can add text to speech on your Android on TikTok. So it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.